I'm just going to be doing a really short stream of some bug fixing and maybe some work on the dialogue system before lunch. So not a ton of time. I think we're probably just going to do about 45 minutes here. Oh, maybe my headset was disconnected. There it goes. I've been doing a lot of project management work recently, which has been going well, but it's not code, which makes me a little sad. I've also been giving a lot of feedback on art and perhaps getting another artist to help with the dialogue art itself. So, to the code and work. Let's see. Um, I have some notes here. Um, Yeah, let me play around. There's definitely some bugs that I've been noticing. But they're a little. I didn't keep exact notes on all of them. Oh God. So I changed how her movement works. By using a move to. Oh, ow, ow, ow. And the move to seems to be working because now I don't have this weird like stutter of the camera when I run into things, which was happening before. Um, let's see, that's working correctly. That's not working correctly. Let's pause and see what's up. So the girl should be dead. Let's check her stats. She's dead. Her hit points are less than 0. That means this monster behavior is not correct. And into the code. Let's see, what is not correct about this monster behavior? It's probably the movement one, because it's moving towards her. And girl not dead. And distance scrolls. Girl not dead. Ugh. Alright, so this is the whole if statement. It says this, which means, oh, this is our, I might need to add in additional parentheses just so I understand what's going on. So if it's aggressive and active and not dead, and the distance to the girl is less than the aggro range, or it's less than the de-aggro range. It's aggroed, so that's this statement here. And the girl's that's not dead. I feel like this is grouping something strangely if it's not working through this. Maybe it's moving somewhere else. I'm gonna kind of cheat here. I know this is like the worst if statement ever. So this movement smooth controls aggressive behavior, whereas I have a random patrol movement which controls non-aggressive behavior. Why wouldn't this work? I'm curious. Let's see if maybe it's just the attack is going. That might be it. It might be that it's not moving at her anymore. Oh, come on. Looks like I need to modify the attack range. What is going on? Maybe I just have a really big cooldown. Nah, that's more than a cooldown. I need to change the attack range then. Interesting. Okay, she's dead. Oh, look. He's patrolling now, but not flipping properly. Why aren't you flipping, dude? Just kind of like ice skating away. Alright, so it looks like his flip's off. Maybe? No, he's flipping right correctly there. Dude spider. Oh, it's such a creepy walk. Strange. Well, at least he corrected himself. Oh, maybe it's because he was too close to her. So I have it so he doesn't switch back and forth if she's standing right below him, because it makes monsters do really strange things. Like that's as fast as he'll flip. It has to be above a certain range. Okay. Gosh, I'll just kill myself. Sorry, dude. Oh, I can't kill myself that easily. Let's my cooldown. Oh, oh man, I need to change the stats. Wow, look at that. I should make these kinematic objects. Whoa! Hey dudes, are you guys flipping? They're flipping properly. Yeah, So with how I changed the movement, I'm able to like shove dudes around, which I don't want. Interesting. And those guys aren't taking damage. Why aren't you taking damage? You're not immune to that. Are you taking damage? No one's taking damage. Oh, why? Bug fixing. Alright, so I know that I changed how dot effects work recently, and I'm totally not showing the video. Fuck. Sorry. There you go, video. So sorry. What I found is the dot effects are working, I think, on Luna, but these guys aren't taking damage. They're taking damage normally? Yeah, they're taking damage normally, but not from the dot effects. So it's still triggering damage, I have a feeling. Okay, and yeah, he's mostly flipping properly. Yeah, he's flipping properly. Cool. So Spider's flipping properly walking around. Now is triggering properly when Luna's dead. Yes, this is placeholder art for Luna. This is my old placeholder art over here. Wait, but he still attacks her when he's close. We can fix that. Let's fix the attacking first. Then not using Sublime, I'm using Visual Studio. There we go. So let's see, monster attack melee. Like this. If cooldown and not dead. Okay, well let's get the girl stats up here. Stats. Stop girl stats. And we'll say girl stats equals girl dot get component stats. Cool. This is just making me sane. Oh, not. That's it. Did you see that? Here, I'll undo it. It was not. Not. So that was my issue there. Well, it's gonna be fixed. I'm not even. I should test this first. Let's go back and test. Alright, spider dude, man. Kill me. Ah. Do. Alright. Oh, come over here. This is like a terrible way to test. Let me have a randomly moving spider, see if he's gonna collide with me. I'm pretty sure that's the fix though. Having that not is definitely oh, so close. I really do like the random control. Oh no! Okay. I shouldn't be doing this. Alright, I'll say it's fixed. Yes. Yeah, it's totally fixed. Yeah, he's totally not attacking her anymore. Cool. Commit. Source control. Fixed bug where monsters would attack dead girl. Would melee attack dead girl. Commit. And, let's go back into the code, because I want to check the cast to make sure I don't have not as well. This is easy. We're just gonna control F for not. Cool. We shouldn't find it anywhere in anything. Awesome. Great. And then I'll push that fix. Cake. Awesome. All right. Let's go back into the unities here. Man, I got too much sun yesterday. I'm like healing from my sunburn, but you can still kind of tell. Let me check my notes. To do on death disable collider. Oh, thanks, Mike. I don't know if I feel like I did that. Let's check to see if I disable. I like my collider's fine to keep on the girl. That's my collider. I'm not sure about on monsters. Let's check the code. So that would be in monster behavior script because that controls what it does upon death. On update, if it's equal to or less than 0 and dead and not dead, set dead to true. Turn it into kinematic. Oh, why would I turn it to kinematic? I should just disable it. I don't want to deal with dead enemies. Game object dot component collider. Oh, that's gonna be a bit. Sorry, that's gonna be a pain. I have 2 colliders, I think, on my monsters. Let's check. Hey, dude, spider. Yeah, I totally have 2 colliders. I have a box collider and a trigger collider. The box collider is actually what counts as the monster, and the circle collider is what counts as where it attacks, which apparently is not working well. Interesting. Interesting. All right. Let's go back to the code. See if we can get it to behave here. What would I get? Well, hopefully it'll get the collider and what active is active enabled? Enabled. Yeah. What else? I'm just gonna turn you off. Let's see how that does. Oh, it's dead. I can run through it. Oh, that's awkward. Okay. So if you noticed, I ran under his ashes. I don't want to run under ashes of dead things that should be on the ground. The reason that happened is because I have my monsters and like characters setting up. Here, you can kind of see this here. So if you are higher than it in the Y direction, like that actually controls your position in the layer. So I'm actually changing layers up and down as I go this way, and that helps me enable overlap for additional depth. So if I'm above a monster, I appear behind it, and if I'm below a monster, I appear in front of it. That makes the overlap of colliders look less weird. So when monsters die, I probably want to remove that, or at least put them at like the bottom level. Let me check my layers here. What do I have? Oh yeah, I render everything down a level, so I'll have to be changing the sprite. So the sprite render spraying layer is main right now. I think I can just put it at main 0. Oh, no, because I'll be having negative mains, I think. Let's go back to the code and see. So I think I might change it here. No? Where do I change that? Oh. Here we go. Yeah, on update. I do the transport position y times -10. Alright. So that means if it's negative, it's going to be positive, positive, negative. Right, it's backwards. That means sorting order of 0 would not work, but I can switch it to, well, like -9999999, which is kind of janky, like a hack solution, or I can switch it to a different sorting layer. So let's try a different sorting layer. Why do I hate getting this. Like, why am I getting this every update? I have some bad code in here. Like, if I'm getting the sorting order, the sprite renderer every update, I shouldn't do that. I should get the sprite renderer every update. Not every update, at the beginning. Sprite renderer, shadow renderer, sprite renderer, sprite renderer. I probably shouldn't be calling it that. That's alright. So then we'll just say sprite renderer equals that. There we go. So now we can just say sprite renderer equals sprite renderer dot sorting order, sorting layer, sorting order. What am I doing? Sorting order. Boink. No. Sprite. Okay. And then upon death, doing this, I also want to take the sprite renderer, and I want to change the sorting layer ID. Google, change sorting. Let me make sure that you guys are actually looking at my code right now. Okay. Sorting layer by name unity. We will see if this is possible. I know it is. I just don't know this by memory. Alright, it's just sorting layer name. Let's go back. So I guess that is actually defining it and not calling it shadow. Is it capital or lowercase? It's capital. Oh, wrong sprite renderer. Let's make the sorting order really high, so it stays on top. Cool. And now let's test this. Chat. It's yeah, it is Luna, but it is not not her new art, which we are currently working on. Death to you, spider! No! Get off me, you fiend! Ow. Ow, ow. Oh, hey, you're backwards. You shouldn't be backwards. Why are you backwards? Ugh, bugs. And you're not dead? What did I do? I broke you. I broke you somehow. Let's pause. Alright, let's go back to the code. Null reference. This. It's upset about this. Interesting. Yeah, I thought... Why... Object reference is not set to an instance of object. On start, I should define the sprite renderer. Oh. That's why. It's because it's actually not defined properly. There we go. Now everyone's a happy camper. Cool. Let's try it again. You know what? I will slow you, even if this doesn't do damage. It keeps you away from me so I can attack you. Yeah, suck it. Oh, look at that. That looks beautiful. It's perfect, except for bouncing around my freaking blueberries. They're like on ice. Should save how I've done this and make it an ice level. That'd actually be pretty cool. I can do that. Hopefully if I fix it all at once, I can just look at how I did it. Cool. So that's fixed. Let's make a push for that. Oh, we will say, disable collider on monster death fixed death changed death sprite layer to shadow layer, so enemies so things walk over dead corpses, whatever. Sure. Super descriptive. And pushed. Awesome. Let's see. What should we fix? Hello, Mike. Beeping at me. Let's fix that broken potion. We'll figure out what's wrong with it and why it's not dealing damage properly as other things are. So the thing that deals damage is the AoE dot area, and I think this might be causing issues because I had a stash change to this that I accepted without really reviewing it. So you know, I don't even know if this is the error in here. It might be actually on the potion itself. Let's see if we can see anything. So I switched this to have do with all the typed damage here. Here's where it calculates the damage that it's doing. That seems right. And on the trigger stay, if the damage is active, it ticks. Oh, that seems to be working. So I probably just need to fix something in the Unity. Let's find you potions. Project. AoE ice prefab. Ice AoE. Maybe it's because my... Let's see what the ice AoE does. Ah! That's it! There's no ice damage. Let's make it 100% ice damage. Let's save that. Shrink this. Hit play. Death to you. Ah, look at that. Look. Look, it's dying. Oh. That's a little bit concerning. Let's try that again. My concern here is that it looked like his attack effect was triggering against this. It is. Ah, I bet you I know what it is. I bet it's triggering against the invisible potion that's in the middle of this. Yeah, it seemed to be in the middle. Let's try that one more time. Because I will now shoot this below him. And kind of stand over here. Yeah. Alright, so that's going to be on how potions work themselves. Potions, potions, potions. Mike. Alright. Oh, I always forget how this works. Potion behavior script. Start, spawn, update, fire. Its inflate is triggering. It triggers, and it does the effect trigger, which is part of the base potion script. Here's the base potion script. And it's just, it calls its effect trigger. And the effect trigger is controlled by the type of potion it is. Which I have two. I have projectile, which that's this one, which is normal potion behaviors. Yeah. And potion bowl consumable. Yeah. So this should overwrite it. And the effect trigger. Here we go. For each effect and effects, do all this stuff. Well, that's great and all. But at no point in time are you disabling your collider. Luckily, we just disabled a collider previously, didn't we? That's in the monster behavior script. So let's just yoink that. Nope. And, oh no, come on. There we go. No. Oh, I have too many things open. Ah, not trying to pin you. Die, 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 die. Okay, potion behavior script. Yeah, when we trigger the effect, let's just disable the collider and see if this works. Yep. Here, I'll let you see what I'm seeing. No. Oh, that's not it. Sorry, I panicked. Hit the wrong button. Oh, that's because I'm not clicking over. There we go. Click, click. Let's hit play again. Oh, nope. What the hell are you hitting? Probably how I should have done this. So we have a pause here. We have an ice potion AoE. Where? That collider! You! You should be disabled. Maybe potion behavior script? Yeah, that's on there. This thing right here. This thing should not exist. This works. That works, that works. Cool. You are not working. Why are you not working? Let's check this code again. Game object. Get component collider 2D enabled equals false. Potion behavior script. It's on my potion. Maybe? That's why. It's because I'm putting it when something reaches its max journey and triggers versus when it collides at all. So I should actually be putting it in the effect trigger. So it triggers, then it disappears. Cool, let's go back and test this now. Sucker. Oh, you already look disabled. Let's see. Yep, and the collider's disabled. It explains why my monster was slowing a little too much in that area. Wow, that's such an overpowered potion. I need to really balance this stuff. Oh, look. That's looking great. Let's see how this looks with these dudes. Hey, dudes. Ah, 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 cool. Well, that looks good. Yeah. The freaking sliding my monsters around. This has only happened recently. No, you get off me, you punk face. Punk face venom spider. Ah! Huh. You know what? Oh, that's cool. Oh, that looks great. Um, I need to make sure that my knockback potion actually works on this guy after changing his weight. It does not. Alright, I was doing something wrong back here and made his weight like absurd to try to fix something. So he should be like 30. And Venom Spider should be like 30. Okay, let's save that. Let's see how that feels. Nope, that's not what I was looking for. Knockback. Boop. Oh, that still doesn't knock you back. That like all does it. Man, I swear it did before. No, come on. Yeah. He was like 5 or 4 before. That's not him. Oh well. Yes, 4. Save. Play. You. Oh, he gets kind of knocked back. Just like a little. Well, let's see how these guys do. Yeah, those guys get knocked back decently. Let's see what they are. 3? Wow. It's like super fragile. Alright, girl. You're just gonna decrease your mass. Make you feel more like them. You should be 4. Make the monsters 5. And so yeah, she'll get back to a little bit, and we're still gonna bump up the knockback here. Effects, explosion like heal, explosions knockback effect. Strength is not set there. Oh, that's because it's gonna be set in the potion. Potion, explosion potion. Let's make you 12,000. 1,200, my bad. Let's see how this feels. It knocks him back a little bit, and knocks me back a little bit. Will you leave me alone? Let's see how it feels against these guys. It might... Ah, not you! Alright, I'll get the ones over here. Hey, dudes. Yeah, that feels good. Except for knocking these damn things around everywhere. Alright. So what do we change here? Let me push this. Give me a second. Commit! Let's put the ice AoE prefab. That's where I fixed. And fixed. Okay, so this is adjusted ice AoE to do ice damage. Bug fix. Commit. Let's do another one. Disable potion collider on trigger. Bug fix. And adjusted. Oh, that's not done yet. We need to save these guys' weights. So we go to our monster prefabs and we take our slowing spider and we say, you're like that dude. We take our venom spider and say, you're like that dude. Now we can save it. Save this here. And put these all. Adjusted explosion potion, small explosion potion knockback and spider weights. There we go. Push all those. Yay! Look at how efficient we're being. We're getting so much fixed. Hmm. Oh, I didn't want to do this for super long today before lunch because I'm getting kind of hungry. But let's see if we can fix that sliding around a little. Ooh, should we run dialogue? Oh, that's so hard. Dialogue. Ice skating. Hmm. Let's try to fix ice skating. Cool. So why is it ice skating? Um, it's ice skating because the force is being applied continuously. So, cheat way to do this would be to have it clear all of its forces, like every frame, but that wouldn't work because I have an explosion potion that works by implementing forces. Trying to think. So we have her like move position. Stop move position from. Those are people asking questions that are not what I'm asking. Jeez, freaking headset. Hi, Tasty Graph. Thank you for joining us. Actually, let's pop by my Twitch. Cool. Oh. Okay, let's see. Why would I be sliding around? I don't like ice skating. Actually, I've never been ice skating. Is that sad? Not once. Unit collision pushing without question. That seems appropriate. Okay, unit collision pushing regardless of mass. Probably should put in unity. Unity. Someone else has managed to use move position and had the enemies be way heavier than the player and it wasn't a problem. I'll try that. But I don't think that's actually what's going to work, and I don't think that would work well. Because I swear I tried this and it had no effect. Blah. Why am I doing 10099999999? This is a freaking tank. Let's try. Oh, that does work. Why did I think it didn't work? I'm sleepy. Oh, what? But then it like collided away. What was that? Oh, that's so cheap. Will I have monsters shoving into each other a ton? Whoa, I still could like... Oh, that's one. Let's see if this monster's gonna hit that monster. Away. Ah. Friendly fire. I love that. I have to be careful with friendly fire because I don't want the game to be like get monsters together and then have them like murder each other. I think I actually just need to adjust the HP because Luna has way more HP than most things. That's gonna make the forces be all weird. Alright, we'll see if we can adjust this. Let's make it 1,000 and see how that feels. Okay, 1,000 she has to work like really hard. Let's see how. Whoa, like that. Like what? What? You see that? That's really buggy. Crap. That's so strange. Yeah. Upon death, she just sends monsters like running off. She's running into them. I guess that's better than the alternative right now. Gosh, I hate like doing like half-hearted fixes like that. So my considered solution is bumping up all of the masses on monsters and then having, or I can just really reduce her mass. Either way, adjusting their masses in one direction and then having anything that applies additional force check to see if it is the girl or the monster. If it's like the girl, like apply less force, or maybe if it's not the girl, apply more force. It's probably easier to reduce the girl's force, or the girl's mass. So let's try it that way. We'll just make her gigantic lightweight. Put this dude back to 5, and put the girl at like 0.01. This is gonna be really funny. Yeah, that feels decent there. But what's funny is this. I'm gonna like blow myself across the screen. That's actually me. That's like a cool hack. Like teleport. Oh no. Oh. Oh man. That's pretty fun. I'm gonna do that again. Maybe cheap. Run away. No, I'm running away. Alright, alright. Let's just do a quick fix so that doesn't happen, and I'll call it good. Well, quick fix, that's effect B. Effect. Knockback. This is removing the knockback effects. Oh, this is totally a little hacky too. So, if affected objects dot name equals girl. Else. Affected. No, else. Jesus. Steal you. Add you. Name. Oh, affected objects, sorry. JJ name. Times 0.02. Should be alright. Super. Oh, come on. What are you upset with? It's upset with something. Operator. It's upset. Wait, strength is a double? Strength should not be a double. Oh. The 2 is a double. Use your F's, kids. Floats! Floats! Floats. Let's see how this feels. Oh, come on, you're in my way. Get out of here. That seemed about right, wouldn't you say? Run away from you. Yeah. Really knocks back little guys, doesn't knock back big guys as much. Haha, look, it's the old one. Oh, it kind of knocks him back pretty far. I'll call it good for now. I can always use additional balancing. Save, save, save. And then push. No. Let's change these masses. No, wait, all the masses are changed except for the girls. Girls' mass is changed. Cool. Commit. Greatly reduced girls' mass to prevent shoving, and changed and reduced force knockbacks apply to her to balance. So with how I have things set up, it means anytime there's a knockback, I'm going to be using that knockback effect. So that means all my knockbacks use the exact same knockback code. That's why I broke everything down into like effects. So that's why I have slow effects and AoE effects. It's my way so I can build out a ton of stuff really quickly that has combined effects. So if I want to fire ice potion AoE, it takes me like 10 seconds to make now. And if I want a slowing fire potion, again, like really, really easy to do. Cool. Well, that's gonna be it for now. I'm starving, so I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye!